Hi, this is Mukaddas. So, as you know, I have started a series on research methodology. So, basically, in my last video, I have covered the designs of quantitative research, but except one, that is survey design. So, basically, this video is based on survey design and types of survey design. So basically through survey design you can conduct a research on a huge population, because survey design is a design which is prepared and designed for a large audience and huge participants. In this design or through this design you can get data or information from a huge population or from a large number of audience. And it's too simple because in survey design we have questionnaire as a tool, and we distribute questionnaire to our participants. Then we take questionnaires and we put the answers of questionnaires in a software and we get the answers. That's why, as compared to other designs, survey design is so simple and it's easy or simple in terms of data analysis. So let's see second definition. Survey design refers to a process of creating or structured questionnaire or tool used to collect numerical data from group of people. This design helps researcher measure attitudes, opinions, behavior or characteristics in a systemic way. That means we distribute a questionnaire as a tool which we use to collect numerical data. Here, numerical data means the data or the questions which are involved in our questionnaire is close-ended, not open-ended. Basically, the responses which we can get from the participants are limited because we limitize our options. We have given them options to take one or two of them, like if you like this, so we have given them two options, yes or no. So we know our answers are known by us. We have given them options, okay, basically limited options. So basically these types of questions are known as close-ended questions. So basically that's why we will get numerical data from the group of people. This design helps researcher to measure attitudes, opinions, behavior, characteristics. Okay, so in a systemic way means ke we get data from the participants through questionnaire, through a proper tool. We have a proper system to to get to get responses or to collect the data, and then to analyze the data through different softwares. Okay, so we have a proper specific system to collect data and then analyze data through questionnaires, and through different softwares we can analyze the data and then we can find the percentage of the data. Basically, there are two most common types of survey designs. One is cross-sectional and second is longitudinal. Firstly, we have cross-sectional survey. So basically, cross-sectional survey is about a specific point of time. So see the definition. Data is collected once from a sample used to understand what people think, feel or do at a specific time. So we have example, a one-time survey asking students whether they prefer CLT or not. So in cross-sectional survey we will get the data, or we can say we will get the opinions and their thoughts and their perspectives or anything at a time, at the specific time, like at their present time, that at the time what are they thinking about CLT or GTM, and what are their attitudes about them, or what are their feelings or opinions. Okay, so the data will be based on their present time, their specific time. Okay, the second type is longitudinal survey. So in longitudinal survey, data is collected multiple times over a longer period. It helps track changes over the time. So that means in longitudinal survey, we collect data from the participants uh, multiple times. So So basically through longitudinal survey we can track or we can see or we can observe the changes over the period of time which occur in participants or their thoughts or their opinions, etc. Okay, so let's see an example that surveying students attitudes about CLT at the beginning and end of the semester. So before the beginning of semester we can distribute the survey forms to the student to ask the attitudes about the CLT method. Then after the semester we will conduct a survey in the classroom and we distribute surveys and we can check their attitudes, and then we can compare the both questionnaires or surveys to check the changing. That's all for today. So today I have covered survey design within two types of survey design. Basically, if you want to study research methodology, so I have created a playlist for your ease, so you can check there. You will find all the videos which I have uploaded on research methodology, and there are many playlists on different subjects as well. So if you want to study, you can check them. So if you have any querying question, you can ask me. Thank you so much.